Oh my goodness. I did a whole freaking video in my event and then broke the live. So, hello. If you're seeing this, you can ask me anything about Perfectly Posh. I have my phone in my hand too because I I just messed up the whole video. Okay, hold on. I don't know if I can copy this. Um I'm learning this live stuff from my laptop. I used to do it from my phone at all times, so doing it on my laptop is really weird. There's a whole thing that I get to look at, and it's like a production type thing, and I click stop sharing for my presentation, and it completely kicked me out. So whoopsie daisies. I don't even know where I'm live right now, honestly, because it's not showing up on my personal page. Where am I? Oh, I'm in the okay. I'm in the group. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. It's okay. We can be beginners. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna tag because I messed up. Jessica Taylor. Jojo. Gosh, I messed up. Wendy. Oh, geesh. We get to be beginners together. I don't know. I think Courtney was on here too. I don't know who was all watching, so I apologize if you weren't on. Did I do it? Where am I? It says that it's in my story also, so this is cool. I have no idea. So what does it do? You guys can ask me anything. I did mess it up. I don't know. Because I closed the thing. Close. Gotta close my other windows before my thing crashes. Okay. There we go. When did you decide? Why did I decide to get back into it? That's a good question. So the biggest thing for me, one, I love the Perfectly Posh products. Two, I have been in limbo since I left that other company, and I wanted something that I could share with people. I wanted a way to be able to make money. I want a way to, like my mom, she still has all the products. I saw them on her. It's so crazy. I saw them on her counter before they announced that Perfectly Posh was relaunching, and it's one of those things like I saw it and I was like, it would really be nice to have those products again. Really, really be nice. So when they announced it, it was just like, surely this isn't coincidence. And at first I was like, no, I'm just gonna I don't want to get back into network marketing. I don't want to get back into direct sales. I don't want to I didn't want to. Because there's that part of you that when you've been in it for so long, I mean, shoot, I spent 10 years on direct sales, network marketing, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And it was good. And there are some negatives about it. I will not be messaging people to sell to them. I will not be doing the Cinderella, I gotta hit my goal by the end of the month thing. There's no hey girl, hey messages. I just want to do things different. And I want, it's almost kind of like redeeming myself because there is a better way. I think every time I think of direct sales and people messaging people to get them to purchase, I think of if I walked into Walmart and they came at me with a bajillion products and was like, hey, do you want this? 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 I'd be like, bye. No, I gotta go. So I don't want to be that person. I want to be the person that's there if you need something, and if you don't, no big deal, right? I still have some products I use in my medicine cabinet. I either used them all or they expired because it's been 7 years. Insane. It blows my mind that it's been 7 years. And I know the company was still going through innovative nutrition, but it's just, one, the shipping prices were high. Two, I didn't want to be connected to a different company. It just didn't feel authentic, so to speak. I don't know. It just wasn't. I was like, nope. When Andrew left, I was like, I'm out. Because Andrew was, to me, Andrew was the face of Perfectly Posh before all of it happened. There was another person, Ann Dalton, and I won't talk negative about her, but yeah. Thank you, Wendy. I truly appreciate you. I was really scared to do this because, when you leave, like, so when I left in 21, holy crap. No. I announced my official leave, like, 22. Yeah, that sounds more accurate. So when you're in something, it's like kind of like a relationship. When you're in a relationship, you have like rose-colored glasses on and you see that person like in a totally different light than everybody else sees them, and like they confront you and they're like, this is what's bad about that person. And you're like, nuh-uh. No, I don't think so. That's kind of how it was with network marketing. It's like people were coming up to me and they're like, this is what's gross about network marketing. And I'm like, nuh-uh, nuh-uh, and I couldn't see it. And then when I left, I was like, the way that people messaged me and the way that people were doing things, I was like, oh my gosh, why was I that girl? Why? Why did I do this to my friends? So those of you that received any of those messages that support, yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry. And it's okay, I learned. We're moving forward. We're doing things totally different this time. I saw the post before your lives. I can't wait for that. I refuse to message people. Yeah. My upline for pharmacy tries to push it. I won't. I can't. And like, let me post on your wall. No, no thanks. Like if you see a post on my page, my Perfectly Posh page, and you share it, like that's 100% different than me being like, we post on my page? We post on your page for me? Yeah. That's just my opinion. If people do it, cool, whatever. Like, you do you, I do me. I'm doing things different this time. I cannot. I want to feel good, and I don't want to be that person that's like, nope. I'm providing a place for you to get your naturally based skincare products. And I'm going to pamper the shit out of myself, I'll be honest. And I want to pamper the shit out of everybody else. So that'll be fun. I'm excited to make samples to be able to share with people. I'm going to be doing sample packs. I'm going to be doing parties totally different. Like before, because I like the online party idea. And thank you, Wendy. I love you. Have a good day. I have different ways that I'm going to be running parties. So also this event, like this, whatever I did today, I am running it as a page party throughout the rest of today. It'll be, I think like 7:30 is when it starts on my page, and there'll be 10 posts. So what I just shared with you will be in 10 posts, and then I'm going to go live on my page with a Q&A so that like it, yeah, I want to be able to reach people differently. And every Monday I will be doing some type of live event, some type of page party. I'm going to be doing product stuff. I wrote it all down. I should have brought my notebook in here. I knew I should have. Product stuff, parties. Like I'm going to do a mystery hostess party once a month so that someone, if they've never, they've never had a party, if they don't want to host a party, I'm going to be doing it so different. And then I'm going to have a training for like as an advocate. Hold on, buddy. I'm almost done. Okay. Give me 2 minutes. Okay. He's playing Xbox out there. So all by himself, a little 4-year-old. He's just driving a car around. So it's not a big deal. Anywho, I'm also going to be doing, so I love SenseShare. I am all about, automatic scheduler posting for me. And I'm going to be sharing that with everyone as well. And if you're in network marketing at all in anywhere, I want to help teach the page party idea because I think that's amazing. Like I ran parties in groups all the time. And if you've been in a group, if you've had a group, you have like getting a group request, like here, join my group. It gets frustrating. There are 10 million group, like probably more than 10 million, honestly. There are bajillion group things out there. And I don't want to add people to a group to then delete them later, like remove them later. So there is an easier way. and it's pages, you know? So I have my Perfectly Posh page, and people can follow, and it's so much easier for them to unfollow. And like pages actually show up in the news feed as opposed to groups. Like you have to go to the group to find it. You have to go to the group to see anything that's posted in there. With pages, it's like it's just like another person posting, but it's a page instead of a group, you know? So I want to teach all of the things, and I'm going to do it publicly because I feel like with the other companies, like I had to privately teach things. I had to, like, I couldn't share what I was learning, and to me, that's wrong. If it's available to me, it should be available to everyone. You know? Like, there's so many people, like, pay $300 and I'll tell you what I'm doing. Like, I'm just going to go attend one of those parties, figure out how they're doing it, and I'm going to duplicate that. I'm not paying anybody $300 to tell me what they're doing. I'm going to just see what they're doing. You know, I'm the person. I'm the mole, so to speak. Like, if you're doing something, I'm going to pay attention and I'm going to duplicate that. Like, I might not do it right, but I'll learn how to do it. That's just me. So, thank you for being here. If you have any more questions, you can ow! I can't just claw my toe. If you have any more questions, you can drop them below on this video, or you can drop them on the presentation video, whichever. I will be drawing a winner. If you have not RSVP'd going to this event, please do that. You can still invite your friends. The live video, I think I can download the video, and I might upload it to YouTube so like it's forever available. But I will also be doing that, like maybe not that presentation specifically, but a presentation about the company once every so often. It might not be every month, but I want something where people can go to without having to go through the catalogs, or without having, you know, like, I don't know. It's so much easier when someone just tells you. Like, I'm just going to show you what it is. Tell you all the things. Instead of you having to do the research. Like, you don't have to go down the rabbit hole. I'll do it. I will put it all out there for you. So, my nose itches. My child needs me. I need food. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for allowing me the space to be me again. Like, this feels so good. I haven't felt this good in a long time. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a fabulous Monday. Please attend that thing on my page thingy. I'm testing it out. I want to see how it goes. So if you haven't followed my page, actually, I think I can tag my page here. My nose really itches. Somebody is talking about me. If you're talking about me, please say good things. Tamara Fogel, there it is. Oh, I hit the wrong one. Good thing I can freaking erase. That would have sucked. Tamara Fogel, comma. No. Why does it do that? It brings up like, why are there so many Tamara Fogels? That's really weird. Spelled exactly like my name. There we go. All right. I'm outie. I'm going to go feed my kid, feed myself, and itch my nose. I'm grateful for you. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Maybe. I don't know how to do it.